Hi there, my name is Jack here at Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi S7 Black Edition Sportback TDI. This particular example is finished in the upgraded Ascari Blue metallic paintwork, giving the S7 that standout road appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, the vehicle does feature a 3-litre TDI V6 engine, producing up to 344 PS and 700 Nm of torque, with a 0 to 62 time of just 5.1 seconds, very impressive for a diesel vehicle. As you look towards the front of the vehicle, you notice these gorgeous matrix LED laser headlights, perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys, we find the 21-inch multi-spoke RS designed alloys, which really complement the Ascari Blue metallic paint. To the side there is a rear privacy glass, in which do keep the rear occupants from view, and also blends in lovely with the gloss black accents around the vehicle. Now as we move into the rear boot space of the Audi S7, we find upwards of 530 litres of storage space, a large amount for a performance vehicle of this size, and can easily accommodate up to 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional bags. As we move into the rear seats, we are treated to an RS red leather interior. It is Napa leather and therefore is extra comfortable. There is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. As we move into the front, that story does continue with a host of plush materials such as Dynamica, leather, carbon fibre and aluminium. Now, this particular vehicle is equipped with the RS red leather interior, which is apparent throughout, and the front seats do feature the S logo. As we look towards the driver's view now, we do find a virtual cockpit which does feature the satellite navigation as well as a digital speedometer, where you can use it to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which can also be done through the central MMI touchscreen display. This does also feature that satellite navigation and also has that ability to connect to your Apple CarPlay and display other map services. The screen does also house a 360 camera as well as the park assist, making the S7 much easier to manoeuvre into those tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi S7 Sportback Black Edition here at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.